Welcome to the Norfolk floor plan at Abberly at Southpoint. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment is 1,279 square feet and is perfect for 2 roommates or people who like to spread out. Let's check out this space in Fredericksburg, Virginia. The dining area flows seamlessly into the oversized living space and is met with an abundance of natural light and a private outdoor deck. Your kitchen offers sleek granite countertops, 42-inch upper cabinets, and a breakfast bar. Both bedrooms include walk-in closets and large room sizes that accommodate king-size furniture. Every apartment comes equipped with an in-unit washer and dryer for optimal convenience, not to mention, Abberly at Southpoint is pet-friendly. There is truly something for everyone. For more information, visit AbberlySouthpoint.com. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. Abberly at Southpoint is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our communities and locations, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.